I have no use for this. Too bad, too. Hey, I got an idea.
What?
What could we do with this?
Oh!
Should we make, I think I'm gonna make a toolbox. You wanna see how I make a toolbox?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright.
Hello.
Hello, YouTube. I'm gonna show you how to make the world's cheapest toolbox.
Yeah, but
Using nothing but a pair of channel locks or pliers. We're gonna use a utility knife. We're gonna use some extra blades. And we're gonna use a drill. And you could either use a big drill bit or I'm using Forstners. Should we show them the inside of the toolbox?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa, I cut the inner liner out that holds the tools. Look at that. Took me, what, half hour? Not that bad.
But perfect.
Yep.
Okay, watch this.
Whoa! Yep. Look how big this toolbox is. Real sturdy too. So, should we get to it?
Yeah.
All right. Let's show them how we did it.
Yeah.
Buckle